Hello guys, this is me again, Rob Prinner, ang inyong alindog. Lipstick lang ang katapat. Today vlog is we're going to unboxing my new pearl, guys. Ayan, I bought some pearls. Oh my god, guys, this is my dream pearl. And then you can comment with me if it's good or not. Because, guys, I really spent too much for this. Pinag-upunan ko to. I really, guys, expensive, but if you are really happy and are you really love your things, you can do it. Ayan guys, no? Talagang I'm very happy for this. So guys, before that, please subscribe. Ayan. Subscribe and tap the notification bell so you're always notified with my new video. So ayan guys, I will show you and we will doing to unboxing my new pearl. Ayan guys, let's go.
Let's sing a song full of hope, full of pain. Why don't you sing along, my friend, for it's our last refrain. Forever young, ever strong, ever brave. Memories like this never end, no they don't fade away.
Let's do now, or let's unboxing my new pearls, guys. Ayan. Ayan guys, there we go. I will show you. Wait mga kalindog. Let's do it first. This one. Oh my god guys, can you imagine? I will show you mga kalindog how beautiful this pearl. I love it too much mga kalindog. So I will stay here para you will see better what I bought. Ayan mga kalindog, diba? So guys, I will put also here so you will see how beautiful my pearl. I'm so addicted with pearl, guys. Ayan. So let's do it, guys. Ayan. We'll show you. Ta-da! Ayan guys. 1, 2, 3. There we go mga kalindogs. There we go. Ayan. This is a gold because I choose the gold one there. Ayan guys. Ayan. This is a salt sea mga kalindog. You know the salt sea pearl? This is the one of you know, the expensive one. Because they have two types, or I think correct me if I'm wrong, I think 3. They have the cultivated, that's not too much expensive, and the natural fur, the sweet fur. Ayan. And this is the salt sea fur. Ayan. That is the one who expensive, the heel, because they're all the same, the big one. Ayan guys, diba? Beautiful. Ayan guys, I will show you and let's try. So, Dankeschön. So, yeah. Oh, sir. Ayan guys, pakita ko sa inyo. I will put it on. So ayan guys, So guys, talagang I'm really addicted with all this kind of pearl, and I show you guys all my pearls in the second video. So ayan guys. Diba ang social, very beautiful. Wait. So ito nga pala guys, the lock is 18K gold. Ayan. Kasi when you buy it guys, ayan, it's better you, ayan, o diba mga kalindog, beautiful. And of course, meron yan guys, That's why the reason why I bought this, because I have also the hearing bigger like that. So ayan mga kalindog, I will show you my things there. So wait mga kalindog. O diba ang ganda-ganda niya mga kalindog. Diba ang sosyal. Wait mga kalindog. So there we go. There we go guys. Ayan. So ito guys, I bought this in Hamburg but a long time. I don't know. They have also, ayan guys, this is also ayan. This, I think this is a natural on this natural fur. Ayan guys. O diba? They're bigger like that. Diba guys? So meron tayong turn on. But anyway guys, ayan. Oh guys, you know this, how much is this? Oh, I love it. So ayan guys, tignan nyo, diba? Panuorin natin kung gaano siya kaganda. That's my dream always. Ayan guys. Oh, ayan, tignan nyo guys. Tapos yung isa, ayan, most expensive one, kayo nang humusga. Oh, diba guys? Oh my God. Makita ninyo, diba? Ayan guys. Diba? Try natin yung hikaw, mga kalindog. Turnuhan natin siya. So, ayan mga kalindog. Let's try it now. This hikaw. Ayan guys. This is with the silicone guys. Kasi the silicone is also a gold. Ayan. This is gold and gold. Ayan guys. Ganyan siya, diba? Ayan mga kalindog. O diba? Ang sosyal. That is it. Diba? So guys, ayan. You know why I'm addicted with fur? Because I have a lot of furs, mga kalindog. All kinds of different furs. But I will show you and I will vlog this next time. Okay? So pakita ko lang sa inyo mga kalindog ang aking all types of fur. Ayan mga kalindog. Wait lang. So there we go. Ayan guys. They're all my fur. Ayan. I'll show you. Wait lang. But this guys, next time I will show you my next vlog. Ayan, this is all the small. And of course, ayan guys. So bumili na rin ako. Ayan guys, o diba? This is all natural fur. Ayan guys. Ito, ayan o. This is bigger on, this is the most bigger. I like it. And the most, ayan guys. So, meron tayo lang. But guys, you see, this all furs is, ayan, so expensive. O, diba? You can Google it, guys. That's why, guys, I'm addicted. I'm addicted with fur. Ayan. Tapos, I will show you also what I bought in San Francisco when I was San Francisco. Ayan, guys. Diba? This is it, guys. Ayan. But by the way, guys, this is next time. So, ayan. And then, ipakita ko na rin sa inyo, guys, yung binili kong small hikaw for everyday. Kasi, every time, every fur, I want to have, meron siyang terno or pair with my hearing. Ayan. Like this, guys. Ayan, di ba? Ayan, guys. There we go. Ayan, pakita ko sa inyo, guys. Ha? Let's open. Let's unboxing. Ayan, guys. Pakita ko sa inyo. Itong binili kong small fur para sa isa kong, for my other necklace. So, ayan, guys. This is also salt sea, mga kalindog. This is a salt sea. This is not a natural fur. Ayan. So, ayan, guys, ha. Hirap, diba? Sira natin siya. Let's do it. Mga kalindog. Sirain na natin siya. So, ayan. Talagang, guys, I'm really so happy and content. Ayan, guys. So, ayan, binili ko ito dito. Diyan. Ayan, pakita ko sa inyo, guys, kung saan ko binili. Tignan nyo, ha. And you see, guys, the tindero or the the guy who look his kuko. So, ayan guys, tignan. O, diba? Ang dumi pa ng kanyang kuko. But anyway, tindero. O, diba? That's it, guys. Ayan. So, ayan guys. Pakita ko sa inyo. And let's open. Ayan guys. There we go. Whee! Ayan. Diba? You will see guys. Iba yung kanyang kulay. Because that is a... Yan ang tinatawag na... Ayan guys. Pakita ko naman sa inyo. Ayan. This is also a gold. Ayan guys. 18 carats of gold. O, diba? So, I'm gonna make terno for these guys. Kasi dito medyo maliit siya. But anyway, it's okay na siya, diba? So, you will see the difference, guys, diba? Yung mga talagang, ayan o, yung salt sea fur. Ayan. Diba? So, ayan guys. Try naman natin tong isa. So, you see the difference. The big one and small. So, ayan guys, diba? Oh my God, beautiful. Diba? Ayan mga kalindog, let us try. Ayan guys, nagkaroon na ng sun. The sun is rise. So, ayan guys, this is for the small one. Ayan mga kalindog, oh my God. O yan, o, diba mga kalindog? Ang ganda niya, diba? Very, talagang kumikinang siya. O, kaysa sa natural and salt. So, ayan guys. Diba? So, ayan guys. Did you see this? All my beautiful fur. Diba? Very elegant. Ayan guys. Pwede natin siyang isuot every occasion. Ayan, very, pag may, social na okasyon, you can wear it. O, diba? So, guys, ayan. I hope, did you enjoy my video? Ayan, guys. Oh, my fur. So, ayan, guys. I hope did you enjoy my video or my vlog today for my addicted with fur. Ayan, guys. Did you see how kumikinang siya? O, diba? Difference of my fur. So, guys, thank you for watching. And please don't forget to smile. At ayan guys, thank you for watching. I hope did you enjoy my video. O diba guys? And what I telling you always, ayan, enjoy your life. Expend your money if you want. Ayan, money nyo yan, pinaghirapan nyo yan. Kaya you can buy anywhere. And it's better you buy all the jewelry because jewelry it's getting more and more high. Instead the phone or not, or the dress and shoes. So, ayan guys, diba? So, guys, thank you for watching. Ayan, I hope did you like it. Oh, addicted with fur talaga. So, bye guys. Thank you for watching.